Do you want to sound clever, confident, and fluent in English? These 30 idioms will turn your boring sentences into brilliant conversations. Let's unlock the language of the fluent. Hey, amazing learners! Welcome back to the English Podcast Show, the place where English gets exciting, effective, and totally doable, even if you're a beginner or preparing for IELTS. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe like you hit the snooze button on Monday mornings, without fail. Also, grab your free PDF guide in the description. It includes all 50 idioms with meanings and examples, perfect for revision or sharing with your English learning buddy. I'm Emma, your English fluency friend, and today we're diving into a goldmine of everyday idioms. With me is our witty guest, Alex, ready to bring these phrases to life.
Hey everyone, excited to be back. These idioms are what I call English superpowers. Use them, and people instantly think you're fluent.
Segment 1, 10 smart idioms with meaning and example. 1. Break the ice. Meaning, start a conversation in a social situation. Example, at the networking event, I told a joke to break the ice. It worked like magic. 2. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to be exactly right. You hit the nail on the head when you said idioms make you sound fluent. 3. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling sick or unwell. I skipped class yesterday. I was a bit under the weather. 4. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to do something you've been avoiding. I finally bit the bullet and gave my first public speech. 5. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad but turns out good. Losing my job felt horrible, but it was a blessing in disguise. I started my own business. 6. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, very expensive. That designer bag costs an arm and a leg. I'll stick with my backpack. 7. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, reveal a secret. Oops, I let the cat out of the bag about your surprise party. 8. In hot water. Meaning, in trouble. He's in hot water for missing the project deadline. 9. Piece of cake. Meaning, very easy. Once you practice daily, speaking English becomes a piece of cake. 10. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, stay up late working or studying. Before exams, I always burn the midnight oil with coffee by my side.
11. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, something that happens very rarely. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Mostly I cook at home. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Meaning, accomplish 2 things with a single action. By walking to the store, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Exercise and groceries. 13. The last straw. Meaning the final annoyance that makes a situation unbearable. When he forgot our anniversary again, it was the last straw. 14. Throw someone under the bus. Meaning to blame or betray someone for personal gain. She threw me under the bus in front of the boss just to look better. 15. It takes 2 to tango. Meaning both parties are responsible. Don't blame just her for the argument. It takes 2 to tango. 16. Pull someone's leg. Meaning, to joke or tease someone. Relax. I'm just pulling your leg. You're not in trouble. 17. Hit the sack. Meaning, go to bed. I'm so tired. I can't wait to hit the sack. 18. Add fuel to the fire. Meaning make a bad situation worse. Yelling back at him just added fuel to the fire. 19. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what you do matters more than what you say. He keeps saying he'll help, but actions speak louder than words. 20. Cry over spilt milk. Meaning, worrying about something that cannot be changed. It's done. No use crying over spilt milk.
21. Face the music, meaning accept the consequences. I forgot the homework. I have to face the music now. 22. Go the extra mile, meaning do more than expected. She always goes the extra mile for her students. 23. Keep your chin up, meaning stay positive. Don't worry about the results. Keep your chin up. 24. On cloud 9, meaning extremely happy. I was on cloud 9 when I passed my IELTS with a high score. 25. A penny for your thoughts, meaning asking someone what they are thinking. You look lost. Penny for your thoughts? 26. Be in the same boat, meaning in the same difficult situation. We're both job hunting. We're in the same boat. 27. Go down in flames, meaning to fail spectacularly. My baking experiment went down in flames. 28. The elephant in the room, meaning an obvious problem that people avoid discussing. We need to talk about the budget. It's the elephant in the room. 29th. Not playing with a full deck, meaning someone acting strangely or not thinking clearly. He says he talks to aliens. I'm not sure he's playing with a full deck. 30. Don't judge a book by its cover, meaning don't form opinions based on appearance. That tiny cafe looked old, but the food was amazing. Never judge a book by its cover. That wraps up your 30 smart idioms. Imagine how impressive you'll sound when these become part of your everyday vocabulary. Idioms are like seasoning for your language. They add flavor, depth, and personality. Comment below. If you want more 20 amazing idioms which will boost your English like magic, we will make another full episode only for you. And now, it's time for the fabulous, the fierce, the vocabulary queen herself, Maria.
Thank you, Emma. Let's look at 10 advanced vocabulary that can spice up your IELTS essays and day-to-day conversations. 1. Initiate meaning. To start or begin something. Example. She initiated the conversation by sharing a funny story. 2nd. Accurate meaning. Exactly correct. Without error. Example. Your answer was accurate and well thought out. 3. Avoidance. Meaning the act of keeping away from something unpleasant. Example. Procrastination is often a form of emotional avoidance. 4th. Adversity. Meaning a difficult or unpleasant situation. Example. She turned adversity into opportunity by starting her own company. 5. Exorbitant meaning. Unreasonably high in price. Example. The hotel charged an exorbitant fee during the festival. 6. Disclose. Meaning to reveal or make known. Example. She disclosed sensitive information to the press. 7. Accountability. Meaning responsibility for one's actions. Example. Leadership requires transparency and accountability. 8. Optimism. Meaning hopefulness and confidence about the future. Example. Despite the challenges, he maintained a spirit of optimism. 9. Failure. Meaning the lack of success in achieving something. Example. Failure is a stepping stone to growth. 10. Uncertainty. Meaning the state of being unsure or not known. Example. Economic uncertainty affects both business and consumer behavior. These 10 words aren't just vocabulary. They're tools to express yourself more precisely, more powerfully, and more professionally. Practice using them in your essays, conversations, or even your social media posts.
Boom! You've just armed yourself with 30 powerful idioms that will make your English sparkle like a diamond in the sky. Download your free printable PDF with all meanings and examples. Use it, share it with a friend, or stick it on your wall for daily practice. Don't forget to subscribe. New lessons drop every day in this 30-day speaking course.
And hey, Share this episode with a friend preparing for IELTS or struggling with spoken English. Be the reason someone else grows too.
Until next time, speak smart, stay sharp, and always keep learning. This is Emma from the English Podcast Show, signing off with smiles and idioms.